How to change Google password without old password. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to change the password for. So let's tap on the three dotted lines, or rather just the Gmail icon, and select on the option of the Gmail ID. Now scroll down and tap on manage your Google account. As you tap on manage your Google account, what you can simply do is it will take us to this new page. So select on security and you can just scroll down and tap on password. As you tap on password, it will take us to this new page. So let's wait until it loads us to this new page. And as it loads us into this new page, what you'll be able to do is you have to verify yourself. So let's verify, and we can just tap on try another way over here. So let's tap on try another way, and here you can just enter your password, use a passkey or anything. So I'm going to tap on try another way yet again. Now here it asks us to continue and verify ourselves. So since we want to change it, we're going to tap on try another way yet again. So here what happens is Google confirms that this phone is yours, and this helps show that it's really you trying to sign in. So let's tap on continue, and as we tap on continue, what it does is it will take us to this new page where we'll be able to create a new password without the old password right here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.